Growth thinking is a design methodology used for growth hacking. It helps you take an idea to action in a snap, quickly, easily, and low cost. This methodology is used by some of the top growth hackers. It is based on the book authored by Nader Sabri, myself, and is titled Growth Thinking. Think, Design, Growth Hack, a design approach to growth hacking. This process is a lot like design thinking, sprint design, or the business canvas model that are used to amplify and quickly communicate in a visual way different ideas and concepts in business. There are 4 different types of methodologies in business, and I've explained them in some of my other posts. You can take a closer look at them. But what I would like to point out to you here is we have 3 forms of training. One is a 4-minute quick training, is a quick, dirty training to show you exactly how to use this methodology as quick as possible. And then the getting started training, an extended, deeper look so that you can work in a more comprehensive manner with this design methodology. Finally, the 10 secrets. The 10 secrets are the science-based R&D that has been done and the data that has been collected and used to actually develop this methodology. The data has shown us how the best growth hacks have been structured, how they've been executed, particular characteristics of growth hacking ideas that were very successful and those that weren't so successful.